All right, today I am making the decision to get my car the PPE or the paint protection film, going with this Xpel on my car. I understand it, the urethane self-healing coating that will go on there, or the vinyl sheet, or you know what I mean. So I'm going to get that done today, and the reason why I'm doing this, 3 years in of owning my car, I'm having to get ready to start traveling in my car. My company, which is a blessing, called me or emailed me and said, hey, we got a lot of stuff, a lot of properties across Texas that we're going to want you to travel to and go do the photography. So I was like, all right. And I looked at used cars, I looked at buying a new car, another secondary car, and the market is just so bad right now, and prices are so high that it just doesn't make any sense. It doesn't add up. I even looked at getting an EV car, and a new one of those, of course, and that was just insane. $700-800 a month for a lease, and $1,200 for an outright buy, or purchase or finance. And so I'm not doing that. It did take 10 years to break even on that, even though electric is supposed to save over gas. And hopefully gas prices will go back down or continue to decline a little bit. Biden's never going to take it back to anywhere close where it was. But if it's close to the $4, that's better than $4.72 a gallon of premium that this premium car has to have. But I'm going to the dealer that's going to do this and get it put on the car. So it's going to be the front portion of the car, the complete front portion of the car, and about 30 inches up on the hood. And it's quite expensive. It's like $1,300. And anything more than that was like $2,500, and then $6,000. But there we go. You will not be able to see it because they do such a good job, and roll the edges up under wherever they can, and precision cut everything else. But I got I upgraded a little bit more than just the very front portion of the car. It goes all the way back to the top of the hood and to the back fender. So the complete whole front of the car is Xpel Ultimate Plus 2 or something like that. I'm not super educated in that, but and then I had them put some Xpel on the faux chrome, because this gets rock chipped up quite a bit, and they did that for me, and they gave me a great deal on all this. So I'm really excited. I'll get a better, closer look when I stop shooting the video. And they also did the headlights. Headlights are Xpel. And then even this portion right here on the lower valance, it gets so chipped up from rocks. Man, those are just magnets. And the lower grill here, I guess lower in this portion is what gets hammered by rocks. Even though I've had my car 3 years, I've done extensive avoidance of trying to get rock chips, and I've done a really good job. I've got a couple, but not many. And now it's going to be all protected. There's a Lamborghini that they're doing. The concrete's real slanted out here, so that's why it looks funny probably on camera. I don't know what they call this, a Urus or something, but they're expensive. Really cool blue, kind of a BMW blue. And then there's the Infiniti Q50. Nothing too terribly exciting. Well, that's just a tour of the inside of the building here at Xpel Dallas. I just thought this would be cool content to share with people on the, the Q50 group of people and followers of my channel. So I'm really excited to have this on my car. It looks really, really good. Really hard to see because it's a white car out in the sun. But other than that, I rode my bike here. It's about 17 miles across the whole city, and so I'm a little red and a little look a little worn out, but I rode my bike because obviously my car was here, but I want to challenge myself and ride my bike here, and so glad I don't have to ride home. I'm going to take my front wheel off and put it into the trunk portion so the Q50 can carry some sizable things. Okay, other than that, thanks for tuning in. Like and share and all the other stuff. Okay, bye-bye. Have a good day.